This may be a keeper here. He'll be close. Oh yeah, good keeper. Good solid keeper right there. Now, if I had 5 of these Saturday, I might could get a check. Yeah, he's been something got him. Look at that. Something got him really big time. Alright, one more bite and I'm leaving. One more and I'm leaving. Good one. There's a good one. Oh man, look at that baby. Look at that baby. Woo, look at that baby. That was caught on the June bug red trickworm, straight tail, 6.5 inch straight tail worm. Yes sir, that's a good fish right there, man. Good fish. Let me see here, boy. Man, I could use that Saturday. Wow. Let me see my phone. I want to take a picture of it. Wow, that was about the 3rd cast with that thing. Whew, he ate that thing up. I didn't think he was that big, but boy, he ate that thing up. Alright, let's see here. How do I take a selfie? Selfie, baby. Selfie. I got long arm. Alright, he's going back and going to see if I can get another one like that. Wow, that's a nice fish. Look at that. That is a nice fish. Yeah, I'm going to turn her loose right here. I'm going to get this camera over here and we'll start filming that. Turning that loose here. Yes sir, that's a sweet fish right there. And let's see if we can get him to jump. Now, come on now, jump for us. Ah, he's gone. He just swam off. Alright. Man, let's get another one on that. That is awesome. I love me some June bug red worms on this St. Johns River. I just almost didn't have a camera recording. Got to turn one on a while ago. Here's how we're using this today. This is a 6.5 inch straight tail worm. I have a 4/0 extra wide gap hook.